Initiating simulation 053. Take a deep breath. Earth's atmosphere is 21% oxygen. T minus 0. We double it to 42%. Your first breath feels like pure electricity. Every human on Earth instantly becomes a superhuman. Your stamina doubles. You are happier, faster, and more alert. It feels like a global utopia. But oxygen isn't just fuel for humans. It's fuel for everything, including the bugs. Insects don't have lungs. They breathe through tiny tubes in their skin. Their size is limited only by atmospheric oxygen. With double the air, the bugs begin to grow. Within a few generations, you aren't swatting mosquitoes. You are dodging them. Spiders the size of dinner plates. Centipedes as long as your arm. But the giant insects aren't the real threat. The real glitch is chemistry. Oxygen is highly combustible. At 42% oxygen, anything that can burn will burn. A single spark from a car engine or a lightning strike triggers a firestorm that cannot be put out. Rain won't stop it. The fires burn so hot, they consume the moisture in the air. The Earth becomes a giant, blue-skied crematorium. Simulation result. Too much of a good thing is a death sentence. Simulation concluding. Subscribe to the log to survive the next one.